I got the holy grails of holy grails right here. Here's a hint. And so I did not pay no $900 that the eBay sellers are asking for, and which, by the way, that's ridiculous. People that sell it to that price point really don't care about the franchise. You shouldn't even be paying anything more than, I believe, 50 bucks for a Ghostface mask. They're ridiculous. But I was able to get my hands on the 25th anniversary mask, and I paid $21 for it from Caulfield. But yeah, don't spend almost $1,000 on a mask. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, these sold out really quick. Twice I got it within the first hand. I purchased this while I was working. I was like, let me use the restroom really quick. But yeah, I have the Holy Grail. This is supposed to smell like vanilla. I don't know where to put it. I have a little collection there. So this is gonna be my first impressions. Sorry I'm not dolled up. I can't. Keep your eyes peeled for these. I'm on the Ghostface collectors group on Facebook, and that's how they notified me, and I went immediately. It says 25th anniversary and my receipt. The package date all nice. Oh my god, the tag is still on. It has this thing. Whoa, it has that shiny. See, I want the costume so bad, the shiny costume. It says Ghostface lives. Oh, it smells like vanilla. I'm gonna make my boyfriend smell this because he remembers these smell like vanilla. 25th anniversary Ghostface. I heard a lot about these, that they have a terrible paint job. I don't think this is the paint job, but it looks like something from the shroud, the hood is coming off on here. It says Easter Unlimited. Oh my god. I mean, it doesn't have the classic vanilla smell. It just smells like cupcakes. But yo, finally, it's about time I have one. A lot of people just scoop them up and sell them for triple the price, or triple the price. But finally, I'm gonna do some close-ups. Here's the hood. I don't want to bend the tag. I'm not a serious collector, but this is a holy grail if you know it. I just can't believe I finally got my hands on this. I badly want the freaking costume. But this is the inside. The hood. Now I can show it off because everybody's been getting theirs all week.